Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video we're going to be concentrating on my debt tracker. Me and my wife have accumulated a large amount of debt over the past 15 years, including student loans, phones, cars, credit cards. We have definitely done it all. Today we're going to start listing our debts from smallest to largest. We're going to be chunking these into our first little part of our debt snowball / avalanche. We're going to kind of do a little hybrid version of this. Stick around. We're going to be getting into this right now. So first things first, we're going to be looking at what our actual debt is. And quick and easy way to do that is actually just checking your credit report. There are many different apps that you can go on. You can go Credit Sesame, Credit Karma. There are plenty of different ways that you can go ahead and check who you owe and what you owe at any given time. The first things we're going to look at is I have a couple of things here. So we're going to look at what is our smallest debt, which me and Nicole both have our iPhones, and that is going to be currently our smallest debt. So we're going to put phone 1 and phone 2. Those are our first two. I owe $700 on one and then $750 on the other. The current payment on this is phone 1 is $33 and phone 2 is $35. So those are our first two there. The next smallest debt we have is our Kohl's card. And this is approximately $2,300. And we pay monthly on this $74. Next is we got two private student loans. The first of which is Discover, which is Nicole's SL, and this is approximately $5,300. And I have a private student loan with First Mark Bank. First Mark Bank, and it is approximately $6,400. And the payments on both of these, now we're going to start with our bullets and exactly what we're going to be looking at. So we're going to be doing, for every $100, it's going to be a white box. For every 500, it is a green, and 1,000 for the blue. We're going to start from the bottom to the top and get my nifty little ruler here, courtesy of the Apple iPad. And for this one, we're just going to do this one all white, I think. And we're going to count out 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's our 7 boxes, and we can just make our boxes kind of like that. And then close it. And then there is our 7 boxes. We're going to be doing the same thing down here. Got our 7. And we're going to add one more for that $750. And there we go. Bring that down, and let's close our boxes. Now we got our $2,300 for the Kohl's bill. We're gonna do this one in some green, and then we'll finish out in the white. So we got 500, 1,000, 15, and $2,000. And let's get our white here and finish out with 3 little whites. And then we'll do the same thing here on top. Got our white, and then our green. Now let's close them. Close out these green boxes here. Now, this Kohl's card at the beginning of the year was actually very close to about $3,000, and we have definitely made a significant impact on that by just being intentional and making sure we're making that payment on time. And we just actually put another $200 towards that one because we had a little left over from when we paid off another credit card earlier this year. So I have been doing this for a good bit of time. Just over this year that we've really gotten together and became really intentional on this. Let us do our discover here. We're going to get some green. We're going to do 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. There we go. It's okay. We can always take care of that. So we got our 5,000. And we'll get some whites here. Some white boxes. 2, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, and close them up. All right, next, my next student loan, we have, okay, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6,000. It was that easy, just like signing for the student loan. A little bit harder paying them off. So I have seen this student loan is started about $8,500, and I started paying on this in 2012. And welcome to us 8 years later. Well, you can see the progress that I made. And let's get our next 4 boxes. There we go. And now we got that dreaded car payment. This is where it's gonna get a little bit tight. We're probably gonna be going to 2 separate columns here. So let's get our first one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And close it up here on top. And we'll get another line down here, another 10. And of course, we need our green box down here for 500. Now let's close these up. Just freehanding these. I don't think I need a roller for something this small. All right, perfect. Let's turn that ruler off. Now this is our first chunk of debt that we're doing here. We're gonna swipe that away. You can see we got our template. This is approximately $35,000 in debt that we are gonna be trying to pay off. And we are doing this as of September. And we're going to be updating this every month and seeing exactly how far we get. Now, I have currently our debt snowball. Now, our current snowball, we're going to make a little snowball here, is $400. So, and what that means is that we're going to be taking this $400 and adding, so it's going to be the 400. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this $400 plus 33, making this now a payment of $433 per month, because I'm already expected that I am budgeting this, and I already know that I am budgeting that. And that is how we're going to be creating our snowball as this keeps going down. That's how we're going to be creating this snowball as we keep going down. Now, we have our avalanche portion. Now, what we'll do is little mountain here. We'll call it Mount Everest. And this currently is going to be $100. And we're going to be putting this onto our car payment. So we're adding $100 to that. This way we're taking care of a higher interest rate, which we have an 11% interest rate on this loan currently. We were north of 17%, but we have definitely gotten rid of that. So now we have a payment which is very similar to what we were paying already, $481 per month. And this will start basically sandwiching our largest debt to our smallest. Now, those of you that prefer the snowball method, we're going to still be going through that snowball, using that psychology of knocking these out quickly. But we're also following along with the avalanche, where we are saving interest on this. Now, putting this into a debt calculator, we can actually found that by following this method, we'll be paying it off in 33 months if we didn't add any additional payments, and we'll be saving over $3,000 in interest just by following this method. Now, this is kind of our beginning phase of this debt snowball that we're going through. Our second phase is going to start dealing with more of our federal student loans. Right now, they're currently on deferment. They aren't calculating any interest right now, and we don't have an actual payment with them right now because they are in deferment or forbearance. Because of that, we have made the decision not to pursue them into our debt snowball. So what we will be putting into there is this dreaded number here. This is the student loans that we're going to be taking care of here after we get done with these main debts up here. These student loans are made up of smaller loans ranging from $1,600 all the way up to $15,000. We will be creating our own snowball/avalanche going forward into those once we take care of this first top portion of it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video here. Make sure you guys please like and subscribe for more videos just like this. And we're going to be updating this for October, and we'll be going over this even more going forward. Thank you guys again. You guys have a great day.